Every major company in the world today relies on software to power their business. Most of those large companies rely on the same programming language to support their software infrastructure, Java. In fact, billions of devices run Java, which is one of the world's most popular programming languages. In Udacity's Java Web Developer Nanodegree program, you'll develop real-world projects using industry best practices. You'll create Spring-based applications, interact with web services, and persist data using different database strategies. In one project, you'll create a file storage and notes app. And for another project, you'll build a back-end system for a used car dealer's website. You'll also create data stores and develop a persistence layer to support the scheduling interface for a small company that takes care of animals. You'll even practice how to automate the configuration and testing of a website, and then deploy that application. This program will help you create a portfolio that can showcase your industry-relevant practical skills to prospective employers. You'll learn from the very best in the business. Since Java is used across all industries, our instructors have backgrounds ranging from major tech companies to IP management. As a Java web developer, your opportunities are endless. Sign up for Udacity's Java Web Developer Nanodegree program today.